Today, let's make a refreshing sweet iced matcha milk. Scoop matcha powder and sift it first. Sifting breaks up clumps, makes tea texture smoother, and avoids gritty residue. Add a small amount of warm water first. Stir rapidly back and forth with a bamboo whisk. This step fully dissolves matcha powder and prevents undissolved lumps, locking in rich tea aroma. Add another portion of water, keep whisking briskly. Continuous stirring creates dense, silky foam, which enhances delicate taste and smooth mouthfeel. Finally, pour the well-blended matcha base into cold milk with ice cubes. Proper mixing balances the fresh tea flavor and mellow milk taste. Add sugar according to personal preference. A refreshing sweet iced matcha milk is ready to enjoy.